So we are 30 years into software and digitalization. If you look back, throughout this time, cybersecurity has become increasingly a bigger problem. And we take measures, but it seems like whatever we do, it is growing faster than the will to fix it. Why is that? Because we are taking painkillers instead of fixing the root of the problem. There is a blind spot in the leadership mind always that we don't know what the real problem is, therefore we are not fixing that. What we believe, the problem comes from the code, from the software that is not prepared for the attacks. So what Cydrill aims to tackle is the root cause, fixing the code, making sure that the security of the software is ensured during the development process. That would be an organic approach to create an immune system for the software products. My name is Lázsló Drajkó. I'm a software engineer. I've been spending 30 years in software business. And after this career with corporates such as Microsoft, I teamed up with some friends, some ethical hackers, to tackle the root cause of cybersecurity issues. We all got frustrated why there is still so many issues with cyber incidents. And what we decided, to teach software developers how not to code, to prepare code and software for attackers, for hackers, and make sure it is resilient against cyber incidents. So why trainings are so important for software security? First of all, it brings a focus onto the core of the issues of cyber incidents. If you train people, you understand software development is a craftsmanship. It's not only tools and processes. Most of the companies, while developing software, they overly focus on features and user experience, letting cybersecurity, software security as an afterthought. With our trainings, we provide best practices that allows throughout the software development cycle to implement techniques that create more resilient software. Software security is a cat and mouse game, and you need to make sure that the developers outsmart the hackers. The way to do that is to make sure all the techniques are at their fingertips that needs to be used while writing the code. And these are the best practices that we convey through lab exercises in our training courses. Our trainers have an interesting combination of backgrounds. They are practical software developers themselves. At the same time, they are also security researchers. So the combination of these two is also formalized in our lab exercises because they develop those exercises. It is quite an undertaking to develop applications that are functionally working properly, yet because the way we work, we use them as guinea pigs. They contain all the security loopholes that is known in a given time. This is the practice field on which the lab exercises are done in our courses. And our trainers, not only training them, but every day they add value to that. They develop the code, they develop the exercises, and they research what's new out there in the world. Evangelizing software security is really great fun. You see, when you communicate with customers, suddenly they realize, oh, I have possibly did this wrong. You see the hologram in their eyes, and you start a joint discovery of that new world of software security. There is a lot of rewarding experience we had worldwide, whether it's in Europe, in the United States, in Middle East, or in Far East Asia, when people realize the importance of creating secure code. Particularly in the Benelux countries, we work with High Tech Institute. It's a great partner for us. They have the credibility to take us to customers where security is becoming increasingly important. Software security has been an issue over times, but with the age of AI coming to the market, all the issues, all the incidents, the attacks will come on steroids. So we need to get prepared. So I'm looking forward to see you in one of our future courses.